how to get infinite potion effects in Minecraft. So first, just make sure that your cheats are enabled, and to do that, just click on escape on your keyboard, then go to open to land, and just make sure that allow commands is turned on. Now, once that's done, just simply open up your commands. So click on T on your keyboard. So just open up your commands right here, then just simply type in effect, give, then at. So just input the player that you want to give the effect to. So I'm just gonna put it into myself. So at S, or basically you could just put your username like right here. And once that's done, just simply put the effect that you want. So let's say I want speed. So just like put speed, then infinite, then the amplifier that you want. So let's say I want to amplify it by 6, and just simply click on enter. And now as you can see, when I run, it has now the effect on going. And that's how you basically get infinite potion effects in Minecraft.